Today we have the GameSir G8 Galileo Type-C wired mobile gaming controller. We're going to unbox it and review it today. Thanks for GameSir to sponsoring today's video with this controller. Okay, first we have is the user guide, which provides clear instructions how to set it up and use the controller with your mobile device. Okay, we have the controller itself. The GameSir G8 Galileo boosts a sturdy build with economic designs, ensuring comfortable gaming season for hours on end. Now we have the adjustable phone holder, which holds your smartphone in place while you game, providing a seamless experience. Alright, the Galileo includes with extra joystick grips. And right here I'll show you guys how to remove the face shield to change your grips. Pretty easy, magnetic face shield right here. Just rip it right off. And on the bottom here we have a Type-C charging cable if you want to charge your phone while you're playing games, and a 3.5 audio jack for your headphones. Alright, so I hopped on my phone and I got the GameSir mobile app that you could download from your Google Store or Apple Store. And here you could test out and see if your joysticks are calibrated or not. And you can see the live reaction that I was using the D-pad, LT, RT, left joystick and right joystick. Test them out if they're even working. This is a great way to find out if the controller is damaged or not. Or that you want to see if the buttons are all calibrated the right way, correct, and this is a great example. So the two buttons on the back of the controller are L4 and R4. You could change them to do any type of mapping you want, set them as the keys. You could set them as R3, Y, X, whatever, start, select, you know, if you're playing Call of Duty, melee. And right here we go to stick sensitivity. You could change the sensitivity of your left stick or your right stick in the app itself. That is really crazy. Or you could swap left stick and D-pad. Last but not least, we have the triggers. You can see how they react super fast. You could change the sensitivity of those as well. So in the app here you could see there's a bunch of games. So you could click here and download the mapping and the button layout on this app, so you'd be able to use this controller for your games.
Alright, let's talk specs. Hall effect joysticks, Hall trigger, GameSir Hall effect sensing sticks. Deliver 360 seamless pinpoint control. Provide the precision and durability that mobile gamers demand. And the Hall effect analog triggers offer unparalleled smoothness and responsiveness, giving you a competitive advantage in any game. Movable Type-C port. The cutting-edge movable Type-C port guarantees a dependable connection to your gaming devices, delivering unmatched smoothness and reliability. Just plug in and immerse yourself in the game with unwavering confidence. Pass-through charging and 3.5mm audio jack. Connects to your phone's USB-C port for ultra-responsive gaming and ensures your gameplay is uninterrupted. Charge while you play and use your favorite headphones. Magnetic detachable faceplates. Elevate your G8 Galileo to match your unique style. With magnetic detachable faceplates, effortlessly switch them out to keep your gaming setup fresh and exhilarating, much like you'd personalize your in-game character. On-the-fly mappings. G8 Galileo has 2 extra buttons for quick in-game customization without software, instantly programmable, mappable buttons. Multi-platforms and supported games. Play the Xbox, PlayStation and PC games with support for Xbox Game Pass, PS Remote Play, Steam Link. NVIDIA GeForce Now and Amazon Luna supports all controller-supported games as Diablo Immortal, Minecraft, Fortnite, Genshin Impact, COD Mobile, etc. A link in the description for this controller. And if you get the bundle, you get an extra free controller with this purchase. Alright, let's test out some games.
time to chit-chat. Been seeing a Seville family via word out on the street and the boys don't like it. I'm pinned down in Seville hood and we need a ride out of here. Pronto. Drive by Image and get heated. That's my brother. Get a car with me out front. Your family on our case, nigga! Oh, it's crashed, CJ. Don't worry, girl. I don't drive as bad as CJ. She got a sister, CJ. You want her number? CJ, out of order, bro. Green glass, no green, ain't no way to bring us down. See you inside, baby. Man, this set tripping is killing the families. You did good back there.
Hey, I'm a Johnson boy.
Hey, I got unfinished business. Big love.
Tip for the unboxing and review if you like this video. Comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.